Okay, this is going to be the review of what I expect to be happening this next week or this week currently. So let's start from the weekly. In the weekly time frame, we have this huge fair value gap right here, which price caused this huge fair value gap right here. We didn't come into this fair value gap for MNQ, but we came into this fair value gap on NQ, on the NQ chart, so we came into that fair value gap. So as we know that if we use the art logic, since we wicked here, what's next is for price to go above and also take out this liquidity over here and this failure swings right here. So since this weekly time frame was our PDRA for last month, so last month we were bearish for the whole of last month, and then we went down and down, and then we typically close below this bullish fair value gap. So that is something that we could be looking at, but at the same time we touch this monthly fair value gap. So on the weekly we targeted this low right here. After we targeted the lows, we entered into this fair value gap on NQ. So after that, we go over to the daily. So on the daily, if we see failure swings and we look at price delivery having multiple failure swings, this delivery we took this delivery had a failure swing, and after the failure swing, we ended up taking out this low right here. So this low was a change instead of delivery, and then a failure swing towards this fair value gap right here. So this fair value gap continued and changed instead of delivery. Failure swing to lower prices, which is this low right here and this low right here. So what do I want to happen? What I want to happen is for price to go into this volume imbalance, make a failure swing down into this volume imbalance. Probably will close above here because we haven't even created a CSD currently. So a close above here will continue now change instead of delivery. So on Monday I want us to close above. If possibly we close above here and then we trace lower into here. But if Monday because of the news, if we close up here, maybe just get a close above here, that's what I'll be looking for. But currently if we don't get a CSD, then I would think of lower prices. But seeing that I'll see what price does, because it's just weeks, weeks. We don't have any clues above this to confirm our order block. So because here we have a candle to confirm the order block and then a failure swing. So if we want, and if we think of this as CSDs and failure swings, we should have a CSD, a close above here, and then a CSD. So let's go on to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, so this is the daily volume imbalance. So I have an invalidation point right here. If price takes out this liquidity right, then I'll be looking for shorts, because that means that this is the failure swing, and that means that this will be taken too. So I wouldn't want to be changing bias if I'm here. I would just want to change bias after this liquidity is taken, because this is the failure swing on the 4 hour. Because after this change instead of delivery, then this is our failure swing. So after this change instead of delivery, then this is our failure swing. Morally, I'll be thinking that this will be our failure swing, because after a change of state of delivery, a failure swing will come. So if this, because this is just relatively equal low, so I'll be looking at those lows to be taken, and then for price to hit into this um ATM method and then come down into this daily volume imbalance and then we go high. But is this skeptical of the week, because this week anything could happen, because we have some news. We have some news on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So anything could happen. This is a week that I would like to avoid because a lot of things are happening. So I like how there's going to be volatility on 10 a.m. So I like those 10 a.m. news because things could happen. So if things could happen, we probably would see a silver bullet. We'll probably see a silver bullet right here if price takes out these lows before 10, and then because if we're coming back into here, we'll probably see a silver bullet. So for DXY, I'm pretty bullish on the DXY after we hit four standard deviations because we've been rallying and rallying. We respected silver bullets. So after respecting silver bullets, I was like, yeah, this is the right standard deviations to higher prices. So after we finish this delivery, the delivery for this month should be bearish. So since we changed the state of delivery, we continue this change state of delivery by closing below, and then we're just retracing into this 50% to make our failure swing. So after that, I'll be expecting for price to go lower into this volume imbalance and this related and this equal lows right here. I don't want these lows to be taken right here and also this low. So as for my standard deviations, I'm not going to be using from this high to this high, because if you look at the rules for my standard deviation rules, the rules states that the standard deviation should be from, for the weekly projection, should be from 50 pips to 160. So this is 218, so it is not a candidate for the weekly projection. So we have from here to up here, which is 119 points. So 119 points, which is good for the weekly projection, especially if it's Thursday. So from Thursday we have especially the failure swing. So the real manipulation swing isn't going to be a candidate. So the failure swing will be the candidate. So we have silver bullets, respected silver bullets, and we hit we hit 2 and 2.5 during 10, and then we sold off back into the silver bullets. So what I want to see is for us to go back into the 2 and 2.5, and then not take out this liquidity, because we'll be engineering more liquidity towards the upside. So we'll hit this level right here, and then we start selling lower back into this volume imbalance. So that's what I'll be wanting to see. As for ZB, I don't know about the ZB, but be seeing some things. Let's go back to the weekly. On ZB, there are a lot of things that will be happening, but let's see. From this to this, that's 300. So from 300 is good. So from here to down here, so we'll put our projections. Let's use the bodies right here. Let's also use these bodies right here. So I'm thinking for us to probably go lower, but for us to go higher too. But I don't know about the bonds, because the bonds I don't use the bonds, I only use DXY. Save and close. I only use DXY and for every of my analysis. DXY has been respecting seasonality, so I will still expect it to respect the seasonality still. So this is just what I want to see towards tomorrow. We have a 1 hour fair value gap there too, so this is what I want to see. Probably we'll just, because this is a new change in state of delivery, because we have this market structure shift. After market structure shifts, we have a failure swing right here. A new failure swing is made, which is this high right here created at 18. High created at 18, and then order block possibly will make another high, which will go over here and then start selling right down here. So that's what I want to see. I think everybody's bearish, but I'm personally bullish. But as long as we don't take out these lows right here, then I'll primarily be, why these lows is because one, this lows came down and then this it hit a key, the old lows which was here, and then two, this low is being protected right here because this is a low right here. So this is an intermediate term low, this low right here, and then this is our long term low right here, and then is protected with this fair value gap. So that's why I'm thinking that if this low is taking, then we're definitely going to be bearish. So this is what I want to see. Silver bullets 10 a.m. and then 10 a.m. for higher prices. So if we take out these lows, probably on Tuesday, I think Monday could consolidate because we've been expanding. This is a retracement currently, so it's either we expand higher or even take out this high right here and then we just go lower, and then during 10 a.m. we just go higher one more time. That's if we take out this higher first and we don't target this low. So it depends on what price does to the structure. Basically, it depends on price structure and every single thing. So but currently this is what my game plan is, and yeah, I'll be updating on what I want to see during price. And yeah, see you guys.